Prepare a raw crystal. 8 wax strings 50 centimeters, 19.69 in. First, hold all the strings together and tie a knot at about 7.87 in 20 centimeters. Tighten them up one by one. Divide the strings into 4 groups. Every 2 strings is a set, and you need to tie a knot at about 5 millimeters, 0.2 inches below the large knots. Next, let's tie offset knots. Take 1 string from group 1 and 1 string from group 2 and tie them into a knot. Take the remaining string in group 2 and tie it with the adjacent string in group 3, and so on. Tie the remaining strings from group 4 and group 1 together. And then just repeat. After you tie 3 to 4 rows of knots, put your raw crystals inside the net and continue tying until your raw crystal can fit perfectly into the net. After all the stones are wrapped, tie all strings into a knot. Next, let's come to braiding the bracelet. Divide the strings into 4 groups. Take the strings from group 1 on the left and pass it behind and under group 2 and 3. Bring them out through the right side of group 3 and then lay them across to the left. Now, do the same thing on the right side. Bring group 1 around the back of the next 2 groups. Bring them out through the left side of group 3 and then lay them across to the right. Keep going down, switching from left to right each time. Tie a knot when you think it is enough. Cut off excess strings. Repeat the same process to braid the bracelet on the other side. Finally, let's make a knot that allows you to adjust the bracelet size. Take out another wax string to tie square knots. That's about it. Cut off extra strings. Iron the strings a little with a lighter.